everybody. My name is Wayne Everett. Welcome out here to Carrollton, Texas. We're at the North Crest Village. I'm here with a viveEV TRON charger brought to you in a partnership with Red E Charging. This right here is a NACS charger. We've got 3 of them, and then we've got 5 more CCS chargers in the back. It's a simple system. We'd love to see you come out here and try it out and check out our slim model of TRON. Start charging up a Ford F150 now, so you can check it out. The process has already started here. It's going to be a real quick process, you'll notice. After this charges up, we'll kind of check some metrics here and see where we're at. It's showing it's at 6% right now, and we're charging up. So we'll come back here in a bit and be able to show you how good this is charging and how fast it's charging for the Ford F150 Lightning. You notice the numbers are going up. 149, almost 150, and it's steady too. Stayed down to about a steady 90 kilowatts, and it's a hot day out here in Texas, so I mean, I'm ready to go get some cold drinks or something, guys. So I'm gonna stop right now. It's simple like that. Firm. I'm gonna head off. Y'all have a great day. Thanks from Vive.